Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, November 6, and ang topic po natin for today is permissive will ng Diyos or will of God, part 1. So, will of God, permissive, God's permissive will is His decision to allow certain actions, including sin, without approving them morally. Sabihin, He permits human freedom and evil choices but overrules them to accomplish His greater good and sovereign purposes. Sovereign will. God's sovereign will is absolute, unchangeable decree that determine everything that happens in creation and history. Nothing occurs outside His controlled plan. Every event, good or evil, ultimately fulfills His divine purpose and glorifies His name. So, ang ating scripture for today is Genesis chapter 50, verse 20. You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good to accomplish what is now being done, saving of many lives. So, sa Diyos po lahat ng papurihan. So, ang ating topic for today is God's sovereign will. So, kung ano po ba yung permissive will ng ating Panginoon. So, many of us, maraming hindi naniniwala sa ating Panginoon kasi ang sinasabi nila ay merong sin o merong maraming tragedies ang nangyayari dito sa mundo. Well, paano nga kung walang Diyos? May mga tragedies pa rin, diba? So, paano nga kung may mga tragedies pa rin pero merong Diyos na ginagamit ito for a better plan, for a better cause, na kahit hindi mo natin naintindihan ngayon, surely He will itong mga bagay na to ay nasa kamay lang niya. Ibig sabihin, pinapahintulutan lang ito ng ating Panginoon in order for us to learn something and to set it up even more na makakabuti lalo sa atin. Kaya itong negative na bagay na to, tulad kay Joseph, na tinidor siya ng mga kapatid niya, pero dahil doon ginawa siya ng ating Panginoon second in command sa Egypt. He became a general or governor sa Egypt, diba? So, without the negative things na nang-happen sa kanya, na nangyari, he can't be a governor sa Egypt without experiencing those things. So, teaching sa atin for today is God respects human free will. God does not approve but only allow evil. God cannot be blamed for evil and suffering. So, sa Diyos po lahat ng papurihan. And of course, kailangan natin tatandaan na God allows evil. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin ito na ang ating Panginoon ay talagang tsang-aayon sa evil doings. So, ayun po, si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, November 6. Sana po ay maraming kayong natutunan. Ayun po, and God bless.